guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I just wanted to show you guys my brand new 2x6 runner rug from EARTHALL. So the best thing about this rug in particular is that it could be used both indoor and outdoor. Because it's such a neutral rug, I feel like it looked good no matter where I chose to put it. So I decided to use this as an outdoor runner rug, and I think it just gave my front entrance a more welcoming and a more clean look. So a couple things that I really like about it. One thing is that it's made out of 100% woven cotton, and you can tell that it's made really well. The ends are folded and stitched very nicely, giving it a nice and clean look. I like the fact that it's a thinner rug, so if it does get dirty, I'm able to vacuum it with ease, or I can also throw it in the washing machine and it comes out just like new. I chose the light gray color because I think it's just so versatile. It also looked good in our hallway or even in front of our washing machine. So I feel like you can put this rug anywhere and it will just add a lot of beauty and character to your area. I would recommend placing a rubber pad underneath this rug if you are going to use it indoors, just to help keep it in place better. So overall, I've been very pleased with this runner rug. I know EARTHALL has several different color options and different patterns to choose from, so I know I will definitely be getting some more from them. And that's my point of view.